Welcome gently into this peaceful Maha Mudrasana practice. Allow the body to relax softly as the mind becomes calm and steady. Come comfortably into Vajrasana, also known as Thunderbolt pose. Keep the spine naturally long and relaxed. Bring both hands gently behind the lower back. One hand forms Adi Mudra, while the other hand gently holds the opposite wrist. Inhale softly and tuck the chin gently toward the upper chest. Exhale slowly as you begin to bend forward with awareness. Allow the forehead to softly move toward the floor. Rest peacefully within the posture. Relax the shoulders and soften the face. Inhale gently and slowly lift the body upward. Exhale softly, lifting the chin slightly upward as the body relaxes. Continue gently within your own comfort level. Maha Mudrasana may help regulate blood circulation toward the head. This practice may help stimulate digestion and activate the thigh muscles. Practice gently and avoid discomfort in the knees or lower back. This posture may not be suitable during pregnancy or for certain health conditions. Allow the body to absorb the calmness created through this practice. Carry this peaceful awareness gently through your day. Namaskar, and thank you for practicing with the Yogini Studio.